Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to take your gel manicure up a level and create chrome nails using one simple ingredient. Chrome nails are these metallic, shiny looking nails, and like I said, it uses one simple ingredient to get the effect. You will need a basic understanding of applying gel polish. I have done a video showing how to remove gel polish, how to apply gel polish, and how to do French gel polish. I will link all of those videos down below. So I'm not going to show you how to apply gel polish in this video, I'm just going to show you how to do the chrome effect. I've finished doing my nails, which means I've done a base coat, I've done 2 coats of color, and I've finished with a top coat, and I've cured appropriately in between them. So the final top coat was a clear gloss coat, and I cured that for 60 seconds, and now it's time to chrome my nails. So I'm going to wipe off any residue that there might be. Sometimes there's a sticky residue that remains after you've finished curing your nails. And we can begin chroming. Now I do want to talk about doing your top coat when you are going to chrome your nails. If your top coat doesn't fully and completely cover the color on the edges, then they're going to peek out. You can have chrome nails with a bit of color peeking out. If your top coat goes over the color and onto bare nail, then you're going to get this. I'll just show you the mistake I made. So you can see I've got pink with chrome on, and then all along the edge it's more silver. That's because my top coat extended beyond the color, so I've got the chrome powder over basically just clear, and then over the pink, and there's going to be a slight difference that you can see. So anyway, I've got these painted and top coated and wiped off and ready to chrome, and now is when the magic happens. I'm going to get a tissue because there is a bit of fallout. The chrome is this powder. You can get different colors, you can get gold and red and green and all sorts of colors, but I've just got a silver one. It is a very fine powder. You can see it's falling out everywhere. And the way it works is that it clings to your top coat kind of with static, and then you'll do a top coat over. It comes with a little, you know, these like little foam makeup applicators. So you're just going to go and dip some and then begin rubbing it on your nail. Get right into the edges and also go on that cap tip on the front. You can check it and put more on if you think there's a spot that's a little bit bare. I'll zoom in so you can see a little bit better. So I'm just picking up some of that powder and rubbing it on my nail. It's so fun to do, it's like magic. Once you've finished with your chrome powder, then you just want to put a top coat over it, or else the chrome powder will begin to wash and wear off. I have found that it picks up little bits of the chrome powder and that ends up back in your top coat. So I do have a separate top coat that I use only for coating my chrome nails, so that it doesn't matter if it has bits of sparkles in it. So just as you normally would, top coat and also cap that front edge. Make sure you fully cover all of the chromed section. Don't worry about the chrome powder all over your skin, that will wash off. Do a final cure of 60 seconds. And that is how easy it is to level up your gel mani to a chrome mani. I hope you enjoyed seeing just how easy it is to apply the chrome effect to your nails. As always, all of the products mentioned and used are linked down in the description box below. I haven't tried different color chrome powders. It is something that I'm planning on trying, but I just haven't given them a go yet. But you can get so many different effects just with the silver by using different base coats. If you use a bright orange color as a base coat and then chrome the top, your nails are going to look rose gold. If you use a black base and then chrome the top, it's going to look more of gunmetal. You can also just do a base coat, top coat, chrome them, and then do a top coat with no color underneath at all, and it will just give your nails a very natural, neutral, but very shiny metallic look. So have fun experimenting over different colors. I've done it over turquoise, I've done it over orange, over red, I've done it over just neutral nails. You can do it over white for a really silver look. Just have a blast experimenting with different colors. The chrome powder, a little goes a long way. It is so inexpensive to start with, but you're not going to use it up in a hurry. Hope you enjoyed this video or found it helpful. Give us a thumbs up if you did. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.